Hello guys, welcome to my channel San Student Cloud Computing Tutorial once again. So I am today I'm going to discuss about the what is dash and SAN. Okay. So in previous slides I discussed about the SAN and what is the benefit of the SAN in my last videos. So today I will tell you what is the dash and what is the SAN. Right. So basically the dash is the channel method. It was our traditional method where we were using the channel to connectivity with the storage to the servers. Right. This is our older technology where nowadays you can't see or you may not be seeing this technology nowadays because its SAN is now broader using most of the environment and most of the enterprise companies will be using only SAN technologies. So in DAS, it uses the channel, the traditional method of host to storage communication. That means, guys, there will be one storage and there will be one server, and between that there will be a one SCSI cable of parallel transport, as it's mentioned in this slide. Parallel transport, like for example, parallel SCSI and discon cables. It is generally used to transport the data over these channels from target to initiators. Alright guys, and what was the benefit of that dash? It is the high performance and low protocol overhead. And what was the drawback? It was a static configuration, and this methodology or this technology can be used only for the short distance, and connectivity is limited to a single host. So guys, as we understand, dash means directly attaching to the storage server to the storage, so you can connect only one server to the storage, or basically you can see two three hosts you can connect to the storage. That depends on the port, how number of ports are available and storage devices. According to that, number of direct attached hosts can be defined. So basically it is the old method. Nowadays we are not using. Next we will be discussing what the most dash implementation uses SCSI. So direct attached storage will be implemented over the SCSI. So here you can see, like you have the SCSI disk and this is the parallel and serial SCSIs. Alright. So here you can see in the diagram the example of the dash, and here in parallel I have defined the basic difference. The set in SAN, in dash you can define one server, one SCSI controller to the cities, and but in SAN storage area and network storage area network, you will be having the HBA and will be connected to the SAN environment, SAN switches, and it will be accessing to the disk that is residing over the storage. Alright. So client server models, controller to the initiator, controller or initiator clients, device for target server, connect cable. So basically these are the components. Alright. What were the uses? Uses access devices like hard disk and tape drives, robotic controls in tape library, implementation parallel interface, serial interface, and what was the standard of the SCSIs. So basically you can see the SCSIs 1, SCSIs 2 and SCSIs 3 was the standard of the SCSIs. So SCSI 1 you may think SCSI 1 was known as the original standard, and SCSI 2 was the major improvements. It was having major improvements, but in SCSI 3 collection of standard there was a lot of collections in the standards. Alright. So next was when, but we have dash, as we know in dash there was a limitation, and dash was not able to perform or was not able to give the high performing network. So now the question is, when should storage area network be used? As we know guys, SAN are optimized for high bandwidth block level IOPS. So guys, you may have question what is the block levels. I will be explaining in my coming video what is the block level, where I will be explaining the difference between SAN and NAS. There is a one more technology, it's called NAS, and there is a huge difference in SAN and NAS. I will be coming up with the videos with the basic difference on SAN and NAS. So So the storage area network should be used when SAN are optimized for high bandwidth block level IOPS. The SAN is suited for the demand of real-time applications that require access to data resources such as transactional database, video streaming, and application with high transaction rate and data volatility. Third point, guys, used to consolidate heterogeneous storage environment, gain efficiencies in management of storage sources, including capacity, performance, and connectivity, and physical consolidation, logical consolidation. Wherever you require a performance or high connectivity and physical consolidation, you should be using the storage area network. And the last one is with the proper host configuration, application IO to a storage array can be made sufficient redundant. So guys, basically the storage area network is a high performing uh, network where it customize lot of things. Wherever you require high performance application, you prefer storage area network, and wherever you are having heterogeneous host or heterogeneous storage in your environment, that time also you should be using the storage area network. So guys, that was that. As I promised, I will not be making a very lengthy videos. I always come up with the small videos with the key points only. So that was the key difference between the dash and storage. In next video I will discuss with the component of the storage area network. So guys, thanks for my end, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe channel for latest videos on Zen storage area network. Thanks guys.